Hello, this is Dr. Myers from BST 322 Biostatistics class. Apparently here in May 2019, we're having an issue with StatCrunch loading in a file. So if we're working on the discussion threads or your assignments, when you click load from file and you're able to find the file on your desktop, you can see it generates the row previews for you, so it looks fine. We click load file and we're getting some type of error. So one way around that, remember in StatCrunch, there's many ways to put data into the spreadsheets in StatCrunch. So what we can try to do is, even in the data area, if we do it from a copy paste, so say we select our data, and here, when we start doing that, let's just ignore that first row because we can fix those variable labels later. So if we just select our data, having our Excel sheet open that we've downloaded from the assignment area or discussion thread area, we'll just select those columns. Here there's 845, I believe. We can just right-click and copy those. And I'm on the PC, so if you're on a Mac, you would copy on a Mac. And then we can just click over to the StatCrunch sheet, and I'll just Control-V or paste, and it puts in the data for us. Then for those top rows, I can just copy those over by Control-C, and I can rename those column heads. So remember, in StatCrunch, you can type in the data, you can load in the file. So even when there's a problem with the software, which hopefully we'll fix soon, we can just copy and paste our data into the spreadsheet.